In the bustling environment of Kendall, where business competition is fierce, every detail matters when it comes to standing out and driving success. Among the many considerations for improving business facilities, window replacement is often overlooked. However, upgrading commercial windows can deliver significant benefits that enhance a building's appearance, energy efficiency, security, and overall customer experience. Here's why replacing commercial windows is a smart investment for Kendall businesses. Enhancing building appearance and attracting customers. First impressions matter, especially for commercial properties in busy areas like Kendall. The exterior of your business is often the first thing potential customers notice. Worn out, outdated, or damaged windows can create a negative perception of your business, while modern, attractive windows can significantly boost curb appeal and invite customers in. Contemporary window designs offer a wide range of styles, materials, and finishes that can enhance the architectural appeal of any building. By choosing sleek, aesthetically pleasing windows, you create a professional and welcoming appearance that reflects positively on your brand and makes a lasting impact on customers. Improving energy efficiency and reducing operational costs. Commercial buildings often have high energy demands, with heating, cooling, and lighting systems consuming a significant portion of operational expenses. Old or inefficient windows can lead to energy loss, making it difficult to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures and driving up utility bills. By replacing outdated windows with energy-efficient models, businesses in Kendall can reduce their energy consumption and enjoy substantial savings on monthly bills. Modern windows come with features such as double or triple glazing, insulated frames, and low-E, low emissivity coatings that minimize heat transfer and enhance thermal performance. This not only helps regulate indoor temperatures but also reduces the strain on HVAC systems, contributing to a greener, more sustainable business operation, a factor that can be a strong selling point for environmentally conscious customers. Enhancing comfort and productivity. The physical environment of a workplace plays a major role in employee productivity and customer satisfaction. Natural light, temperature control, and overall comfort can significantly impact how employees feel and perform throughout the day. Upgrading to larger, well-insulated commercial windows can flood your space with natural light, boosting morale, enhancing focus, and creating a more pleasant atmosphere for employees and customers alike. Moreover, energy-efficient windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, minimizing drafts and temperature fluctuations that can be distracting and uncomfortable. By creating a more comfortable work environment, businesses can boost productivity and foster a positive experience for both employees and patrons. Enhancing security and safety. Safety and security are critical considerations for any commercial property. Modern commercial windows are designed with advanced security features such as reinforced glass, impact-resistant materials, and multi-point locking systems that make it difficult for intruders to gain access. This is particularly important for businesses in Kendall, where property security is a top priority. Impact-resistant windows also offer an added layer of protection against severe weather conditions, such as hurricanes and storms. By investing in secure, durable windows, businesses can reduce the risk of break-ins and weather-related damage, providing peace of mind to employees, customers, and stakeholders. Reducing noise pollution. Businesses located in high-traffic areas often have to contend with noise pollution, which can negatively impact customer experience and employee concentration. Modern commercial windows are designed with noise-reducing technology, such as double or triple pane glass and specialized insulation. By replacing older windows with noise-reducing models, businesses can create a quieter, more focused, and inviting environment that enhances customer interactions and promotes productivity. Lowering maintenance costs. Outdated windows often require frequent repairs and maintenance, leading to increased operational costs and disruptions. Modern commercial windows are designed to be durable, low maintenance, and resistant to wear and tear from weather and everyday use. Features such as weather-resistant materials and easy-to-clean designs mean fewer repairs and less frequent maintenance, saving businesses time and money. Boosting property value. Replacing commercial windows not only enhances your business's current performance but also increases the overall value of your property. This is a key consideration for business owners who may wish to lease or sell their commercial space in the future. New windows signal to potential buyers or tenants that the property is well maintained and energy efficient, making it a more attractive investment. Reaping the benefits of commercial window replacement. For Kendall businesses, investing in commercial window replacement offers a wide range of benefits that go beyond aesthetics. From enhancing energy efficiency, security, and noise reduction to creating a more comfortable and inviting environment, new windows can make a significant difference in your business's success. By improving both form and function, window replacement is an investment that delivers long-term value and positions your business to thrive in the competitive Kendall market. With these benefits in mind, upgrading your commercial windows can be a strategic move to maximize your property's potential and elevate the overall customer and employee experience.